Question number 1. Bihu dance is a traditional folk dance of which Indian state? Correct answer is option B, Assam. Question number 2. What is the SI unit of acceleration? Correct answer is option B, meter per second square. Question number 3. Which ruler of the Mamluk dynasty gave the Ikta system an institutional status in India? Correct answer is option B, Shamsuddin Iltutmish. Question number 4. Who holds the Guinness World Record for the most men's international football wins? Correct answer is option C, Cristiano Ronaldo. Question number 5. According to the Hajj policy guidelines in India, what is the standard quota distribution ratio between the Hajj Committee of India and private Hajj group organizers, including the option for adjustments? Correct answer is option C, 70:30, with the option to revert or adjust based on demand. Question number 6. Which prominent Indian revolutionaries were the masterminds behind the 1912 Delhi conspiracy case? Correct answer is option B, Raj Bihari Bose and Sachindranath Sanyal. Question number 7. What is the name of the prominent ISRO mission that demonstrated the technology of joining and separating two spacecraft in space? Correct answer is option C, SpaceX. Question number 8. An excess of which of the following in lakes causes eutrophication? Correct answer is option B, nitrogen and phosphorus. Question number 9. Which state in India is building the country's largest AI data center hub in partnership with Adani and Google? Correct answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 10. Who did Jannik Sinner defeat in straight sets to win his second consecutive men's singles title at the 2025 Australian Open? Correct answer is option B, Alexander Zverev. Question number 11. Which of the following components of a computer CPU is responsible for performing operations like addition, subtraction, and logical comparisons? Correct answer is option B, arithmetic logic unit. Question number 12. Who is the author of the short story The Loneliness of Sonia and Sunny? Correct answer is option C, Kiran Desai. Question number 13. Before the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1978, which of the following terms was used as a ground to proclaim a national emergency under Article 352? Correct answer is option B, internal disturbance. Question number 14. How is the Speaker of the Vidhan Sabha elected? Correct answer is option B, elected by the members of the Vidhan Sabha from amongst themselves. Question number 15. Which dynasty succeeded the Satavahana dynasty in the Deccan region? Correct answer is option B, Ikshvaku dynasty. Question number 16. Which Dravidian language is spoken natively in the Balochistan region of Pakistan? Correct answer is option C, Brahmi. Question number 17. Which country officially joined BRICS as a permanent member during the 17th BRICS Summit in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Indonesia. Question number 18. What is the first beat of any rhythmic cycle in Hindustani music called? Correct answer is option B, Sam. Question number 19. What change is observed when a ray of light travels obliquely from air to water? Correct answer is option B. Light slows down and bends towards the normal. Question number 20. What is the medical term used to describe the symptom of excessive or frequent urination in a diabetic patient? Correct answer is option A, polyuria. Question number 21. What is the characteristic of a computer that allows it to perform repetitive tasks for a long period without showing signs of fatigue or lack of concentration? Correct answer is option B, diligence. Question number 22. Which type of economic system was adopted by India after independence to balance rapid industrialization with social welfare? Correct answer is option C, mixed economy. Question number 23. Which term refers to the precise hand and finger gestures used in traditional dance forms to communicate complex stories or ideas without words? Correct answer is option A, mudras. Question number 24. Which of the following major cash crops or fruits is grown in the Himalayan region of Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer is option B, walnut. Question number 25. Which royal farman was effectively challenged and ended in Bengal following the British victory in the Battle of Plassey? Correct answer is option C, Farman of Farrukhsiyar. Question number 26. In May 2025, which Indian author scripted history by winning the prestigious International Booker Prize 2025 for her short story collection Heartland? Correct answer is option B, Banu Mushtaq. Question number 27. How many fundamental rights are currently provided in the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B, 6. Question number 28. Where is Google's largest AI hub outside the United States being built? Correct answer is option B, Visakhapatnam. Question number 29. Bharat Mandapam is internationally famous for hosting conferences and exhibitions related to which type of communication and global dialogue? Correct answer is option B, mass communication, international diplomacy, and digital technology exhibitions. Question number 30. Under which article of the Constitution of India is the provision for a quorum of either House of Parliament made? Correct answer is option B, Article 100. Question number 31. The National Agriculture Policy 2000 was announced in which state? Correct answer is option A, July 28, 2000. Question number 32. Who introduced the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is option C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.